The WSK Gacek was a Polish prototype microcar developed in the second half of the 1960s as a dedicated vehicle for disabled people. The project originated in 1965 following a formal request from the Polish Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, which identified a lack of accessible personal transportation for people with limited mobility. The vehicle was initially designated 65S65N65 and was later given the name Gacek, meaning bat in Polish. Development was carried out at the Transport Equipment Factory in Świdnik, a company primarily known for aircraft, helicopter, and motorcycle production. The design process involved cooperation with the Krakow University of Technology, the Central Automotive Research and Development Center in Warsaw, and the Academy of Fine Arts in Warsaw, which was responsible for the vehicle's exterior styling. The first full-scale mock-up was completed in 1966. A drivable prototype appeared in 1967, and the first complete prototype was finalized in 1969. Gacek was a lightweight, four-wheeled vehicle with front-wheel drive, an uncommon solution for microcars of that era. Power came from a two-stroke, two-cylinder Jawa 57201 motorcycle engine producing approximately 16 horsepower, mounted above the front axle. Steering and braking components were sourced from the Trabant. The body was constructed from bent steel sheet, with plastic used for the front hood. The car could transport 2 adults, including a disabled driver, and 2 children. It featured wide doors, a swiveling driver's seat, adjustable front seats, and excellent visibility due to large windows. The vehicle weighed around 560 kilograms, about 1,235 pounds, reached a top speed of 72 kilometers per hour, about 45 miles per hour, and consumed about 7.5 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, about 31 miles per gallon. The wheelbase measured 1,850 millimeters, about 73 inches, with an overall length of 2,970 millimeters, about 117 inches, making it well suited for urban use. Gacek successfully passed tests conducted by WSK and the Motor Transport Institute in Warsaw and received positive evaluations from the Polish Association of Disabled People. Numerous development variants were planned, including a delivery van, electric version, and alternative body styles. In 1970, the designers received an award from the Minister of Culture and Art for Industrial Design Excellence. Despite its technical success and positive expert opinions, the vehicle never entered mass production, and the project was ultimately discontinued. Today, WSK Gacek remains an important example of innovative and socially oriented automotive engineering in post-war Poland.